everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. Today I am going to show you how to wash your hair after taking off your braid. So I've sectioned my hair into 4 parts. Now I will take my water and my conditioner right here, and I'm going to take one twist and untwist it so that I can detangle it. So I finished detangling my hair, and this is how much hair I've lost in 6 weeks. Now I'm going to wash my hair with the Raisin Soleil Black Soap Shampoo. Now that I've finished washing my hair, I will use the avocado and banana deep conditioner on my hair to add a little bit more moisture. So now I'm going to warm up my hot head so that I can just let it deep condition, and yeah, let's go warm this up. We're going to keep this on for 30 minutes. Now that I've rinsed out all the deep conditioner in my hair, I will now put in the leave-in and some oil just to moisturize it. And since I deep conditioned my hair this week, I'll be doing a protein treatment next week. So that's pretty much it for the video. And don't worry about the white stuff. I had to put a lot of leave-in because my hair was dry from the extension, and I just gotta make sure it's really moisturized. Thanks again so much for watching, and we'll see you in another video. Bye! Mwah.